Module 14, Purpose and Wealth, Financial Stewardship and Impact. Financial Stewardship and Purpose-Driven Wealth. Purpose creates provision, but provision must be handled wisely. Financial stewardship means managing your money, investments, and resources in a way that aligns with your purpose and amplifies your impact. Let's explore strategies for wealth management, giving, and purposeful investing. Financial stewardship is the deliberate management of resources to advance your purpose. Money in itself is neutral. Its value lies in how you use it. Poor management leads to stress, debt, and distraction. Wise stewardship fuels growth, opportunity, and impact. Core Principles 1. Earning with purpose. Generate income through work, business, or investments that align with your values. Example: start a tutoring business if you excel academically, or offer design services online if you have creative skills. 2. Budgeting and planning. Track your income, expenses, and savings. Example: allocate 50% to necessities, 30% to growth, courses, business investments, and 20% to giving or impact projects. 3. Saving and investing. Protect your future and multiply resources. Example: invest in a skills course, small business, or low-risk stocks aligned with your values. 4. Generosity and giving. Allocate a portion of income to others. Example: support a community project, mentor a young person, or donate to charity. Giving amplifies purpose beyond personal gain. 5. Purpose-driven spending. Before spending, ask, will this help me or others? Avoid impulsive purchases that do not contribute to your vision. Example: instead of buying luxury items immediately, invest in tools or education that advance your career or purpose. Practical applications: launch a small business aligned with your skills and use a percentage of profits for social impact. Invest in community projects that address issues in your neighborhood, like tutoring programs or skill building workshops. Track your monthly expenses and reflect. Did your spending align with your purpose? Key truth: financial stewardship transforms resources into tools for growth, impact, and legacy. Reflection and journaling. 1. How are you currently managing your finances, investments, and giving? 2. What one change can you make this month to align money with your purpose? 3. How can your financial decisions create long-term impact for yourself and others? Check the Skulearn.com marketplace to get resources for further studies. See you in the next module. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. See you in the last module.